if the vectors a and b are such that vector a plus vector b is equal to mod of vector a is equal to mod of vector b, then vector a minus vector may be equated to. So we know that if this is the given condition, then what is the value of cos theta? Cos theta is minus 1 by 2. And if cos theta is minus 1 by 2, how can we write modulus of vector a minus vector b as this will be equal to root of modulus of vector a plus vector b the whole square minus 4 mod a mod b cos theta, which is equal to root of. Now from the question we can say that mod of vector a plus vector b is equal to mod vector a. So this is mod of vector a the whole square minus, since it is given that mod of vector a is equal to mod of vector b, we can say that this is 4 times mod a into cos theta. So this is further equal to root of mod. Let us now say what is mod of vector a. So mod of vector a is a, which is its magnitude. So this will be a square minus 4a square into cos theta. So if we take out a square common, root of a square into 1 minus 4. What is cos theta? Cos theta is minus 1 by 2. So this becomes root of a square into, we got 1 plus minus 2 minus 2, so that becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3, and therefore root of modulus of vector a minus vector b is equal to root 3a, which gives us the correct option to be option D. Now what we'll do is we'll go through some of the basic results which are really important when it comes to certain values of theta, which are namely 0, 60, 90, 120 and 180. So what is the purpose of doing that? Because if you learn those formulas, you will tend to know that how did I arrive at this answer using a direct formula like this, and how did I directly write that cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. So that kind of inference will come from the results that we are going to discuss. And how will we do that? We will write down the results by first mentioning the resultant. So what is resultant? Formula for resultant. So resultant is equal to, or magnitude of resultant is equal to be more precise, magnitude of resultant is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab into cos theta, right? Now let us say we need 4 cases. So we got case 1 when theta is equal to 0. So when I say theta is equal to 0, what does it mean? It means that we got 2 vectors here, which is vector a and vector b, and this theta represents the angle between them. So when we say it is theta is 0, what does it imply? It implies geographically that if this is vector a, then vector b might be something like this, right? The angle between them is 0. In which case, what is resultant? See, resultant here is r is root of a square plus b square plus 2ab into, what is cos theta? So when theta is equal to 0, what is cos theta? Cos theta is cos 0, which is equal to 1. So you get 2ab into 1. So what is r is equal to? R is equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab, or r is equal to root of a plus b the whole square, right? So what is r is equal to? R is equal to root of a plus b the whole square, which is a plus b. So this is one result we need. which means when theta is equal to 0, what is r is equal to? R is equal to a plus b. Now physically this means that when theta is equal to 0, the resultant vector will have a magnitude which is equal to the sum of magnitudes of the individual vectors. Now we need another case here, which is if A is equal to B, which means if we have two equal vectors under consideration, then what is R is equal to? R is equal to A plus A, which is equal to 2A. Okay, so this is case number 1. Alright, now let us discuss case number 2. So again, what is R is equal to? R is equal to root of A square plus B square plus 2AB into cos theta. And this time let us see case number 2 for which angle? Case number 2 for angle when theta is equal to 60 degree. And what is the value of cos theta? So when theta is equal to 60 degree, cos theta will be equal to cos 60, which is equal to 1 by 2. And when that is equal to 1 by 2, we have r is equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab into what is cos theta? Cos theta is 1 by 2. So what you get is root of a square plus b square plus ab. So we can write down the result as when theta is equal to 60 degree, what is r is equal to? R is root of a square plus b square plus ab. And when if a is equal to b, what do we have? We have r is equal to root of a square plus root of a square plus a square plus a square, which is root of 3a square, or which is root 3a, right? Okay, so we discussed two cases. One is theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to 60. Now let us discuss the same for, say, third case, case number 3. And this time theta is equal to 90 degree. So what would be cos 90? Cos 90 will be equal to sine 0, which is equal to 0. And what is r? R again is equal to root of plus times cos theta, which is equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2 into ab. What is the value of cos 90? Cos 90 is 0, so this terms get eliminated. So what do we get? So what we get is r is equal to root of a square plus b square. So when theta is equal to 90 degree, what is r is equal to? R is equal to root of a square plus b square. And if a is equal to b, what is r is equal to? R is equal to root of a square plus a square, and therefore r is equal to root of 2a square, which means r is equal to root of 2 times a. Okay, let us discuss one more angle, which would be our case 4, which is when theta is equal to 120 degrees. So when theta is equal to 120 degree, what is cos theta? This is cos 120. So see, how do we calculate this? It's very simple. Don't go for the analytical method. Use only the algebraic method. So what is cos 120? Cos 120 is cos 90 plus 30, right? Now what is cos a plus b? It is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So no need to check for the quadrants and for the sign. If you understand this formula, you get the answer directly. Now, what is cos 90? We know that cos 90 is 0. So this will become minus, what is sin 90? Sine 90 is 1. What is sine 30? Is 1 by 2. So cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. So when theta is equal to 0, sorry, when theta is equal to 120, what is cos theta is equal to? Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Again, what is r is equal to? R is equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. And what is r is equal to? Root of a square plus b square plus 2 into ab into what is cos theta? The value of cos theta is minus 1 by 2. So thus we get a simplified version as root of a square plus b square minus ab. So we can say when theta is equal to 120, what is r is equal to? R is equal to root of a square plus b square minus ab. And when we have a is equal to p, what do we get? We get r is equal to root of a square plus a square minus a square plus a square minus a square, which is r is equal to root of a square. Therefore r is equal to a. Let us do one more method, one more case, which is when theta is equal to 180 degrees. So if this is vector a, the other vector will be 180 degree opposite to it. This is vector b, vector a, vector b. So we know when it is cos theta is 180 degree. So for those people who really find the quadrants and the expansion difficult, please do like this. What is cos 180? You can do it. You can do this in many ways. Let us stick on to the very basic one. Cos 90 plus 90. So what is cos 90 plus 90? Cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. What is cos a? What is cos 90? We know it is 0. What is cos 90? We know it is 0. What is sin 90? It is 1. What is sin 90? It is 1. So what do we get? Minus 1. Or other way around, you can also keep this formula close to you. What is cos n pi? Cos n pi is minus 1 the whole raised to n. So what do we have here? Instead of n, we have 1. So what is cos pi? Cos pi is minus 1 the whole raised to 1, which is equal to minus 1. Okay. So that's how you make things very simple. Now, what is again r is equal to? R is equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab into cos theta. Now we have r is equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab into what is cos theta? It is minus 1. So r is equal to root of a square plus b square minus 2ab. Therefore r is equal to root of a minus b the whole square, which implies r is equal to a minus b. So when theta is equal to 180, r is equal to a minus b, and when a is equal to b, r is equal to 0. Okay. So these are the results which will definitely help you in doing problems later. So what I'll do is I'll write down these results as a table. So we have theta, we got expression for r, we have also got the expression when vector a is equal to vector b. So when theta is equal to 0, what is r? R is equal to the algebraic sum of a plus b, and here this becomes 2 times vector a. So we can say that r is equal to 2 times vector a. When theta is equal to 60 degree, when theta is equal to 0, when theta is equal to 0 degrees and when theta is equal to 60 degrees, what we have is r is equal to root of Okay, wait, let me use some different colors so that it will be easy for you to um, take it down. So let's say we have theta, expression for r, and expression for r such that vector A is equal to vector B. Alright. Now, when theta is equal to 0 degree, what is vector r is equal to? Vector r is equal to the algebraic sum, which is vector A plus vector B. And what is the condition when A is equal to B? This is r is equal to 2A. Similarly, when theta is equal to 60 degree, what is vector r is equal to? Well, I'm actually sorry. It's not vector r. It should be magnitude of r. Sorry. So r is equal to root of a square plus b square plus ab, and here r would be equal to root 3 times a. Now when theta is equal to 90 degrees, what is r is equal to? R is equal to root of a square plus b square, and similarly r here will be equal to root 2 a. Now when theta is equal to 120 degree, what is r is equal to? R will be equal to root of a square plus b square minus ab. When a is equal to vector A is equal to vector B, what is r is equal to? R is equal to ab. And when theta is equal to 180 degrees, what is vector r is equal to? R is equal to the difference of magnitude. I'm so sorry that I'm writing the vector symbol everywhere. It should be magnitude of vector r. Or if you want to make it more correct, it should be magnitude of vector r. Okay, which is equal to a minus b, and what is r here? R here will be equal to 0. So if you just understand the primary logic here, when theta increases, right, r becomes, it moves from 2a to root 3a, then to root 2a, then to 1a, and eventually to 0. Okay, so that's the concept regarding this question. It was a lengthy solution because the intent was not to solve the question alone. The intent was to make sure that you solve any kind of these questions when you get, or maybe similar questions in a more faster way when you get the next time. Okay, so having said so, let's move on to the next question, neat PYQ.